Integration is a method of finding the area under a line on a graph. It is the opposite of differentiation. Regardless of what shape the line is, you can use integration to find the area between the line and the x-axis. You can decide what area you want to find by looking at the values on the y-axis. These values are called the limits. For example, in a simple y equals x graph, if you wanted to find the area between, say, y equals 0 and y equals 4, you would find the area of the triangle using the half base times height method, which you have learnt in GCSE Maths. However, say you had an x squared graph, how then would you find the area between the same limits? The answer is integration. To integrate, there are 3 steps. So the first step is knowing what the equation is. Here the equation is y equals x. To integrate, you put the integral sign in front of the x term and put dx at the end. All you do is add 1 to the power of the x. In this case, it's 2. Therefore, 2 plus 1 equals 3. You then divide this number by the coefficient in front of the x term, which here is 1. Therefore, you end up with 1 over 3 x cubed. The second step. Whenever you finish integrating a term, you always put the term plus c after. This is called the constant of integration, and it is always included. When you differentiate 2x plus 12, the answer is 2, and when you differentiate 2x plus 7, the answer is still 2. This shows that the constant at the end of the term doesn't affect the answer. This is taken into consideration by adding the plus c. The third step is using the limits. The limits here are y equals 0 and y equals 4. You substitute the values as x into your integrated term, and that is the area in units squared.